Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to get a new hosting from Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, visit Bluehost using my special link on the description. You will land on this page, the best web hosting. By the way, my link is an affiliate link, so if you get your Bluehost using my special link from the description, you will help me make more tutorials like this of course, without any extra on what you are paying. So thank you. After this, you will see the available hosting plans from Bluehost. I am still on the standard and not on the advanced, which is VPS and dedicated hosting. Here, by standards, they mean shared hosting. You have the starter, the business, and the e-commerce. With the starter, you can create up to, or you can host up to 10 websites. You get 10 gigabytes on NVMe storage, NVMe, which is fast. This plan is ideal for websites with 40K visits per month. You get AI site creation tools. I'm not familiar with this. Of course, you get the 30-day money back guarantee. You can claim a free domain for the first year. Also, you have the free site migration tool. I'm not sure how many sites you can migrate for free with this plan. You also get a free CDN. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network, which means they make multiple copies of you, they duplicate your website on different geographical positions around the world. This way, your website becomes faster because let's say you get a visitor from Asia. Instead of connecting to the copy located on the USA, they will connect it directly to the closest server location or closest copy of your website, and this way your website become faster to load. You also get 24/7 chat support. Unfortunately, phone support is not included with this plan. You also get free SSL certificate to get HTTPS before your domain name. You also get malware scanning, DDoS protection included, and also weekly website backups. This is good. For marketing, these are used, but free trial. Unfortunately, you only get free trial of their pro email. I'm not sure if you get free email to connect that you can connect later to Gmail. I think yes. The last time I was using Bluehost, simply with the simple or with the basic plan, I get a free email account that I connected with Gmail. Under advanced, you get SSH, WordPress staging site. This is a useful feature which lets you first test or apply new changes to a duplicate copy of your website called a staged site. And when you are sure that this change does not break your WordPress site, with a simple click, you can apply it on your real website. This is the staging site feature. Now click on choose plan under your selected plan. Here you can register a new domain, which you will get for free. Or you can go with choose domain later. And you can also go with I want to use a domain I already own. For this video, I will not go with this option. I will go with choose domain later in order to show you how to connect your existing domain with Bluehost in a separate video. So click on choose domain later. Of course, if you go with choose domain later, you can still redeem or claim your free domain later for free. Here, instead of 3 years, I will go with 1 year. As you see, the price changed to around $57 or $58. Below the price, you can select which data center you want to use. Here, I recommend you to click on the little pen, then select from this list. Since my website will be in English, targeting US traffic, I will go with USA. They have two data centers location, one in Virginia and one in Arizona. I will go with the Virginia data centers. As you see, features included, free SSL, free malware scan. Here, if you want to add the professional email trial, or my bad, the price for the professional email trial is $0, and for the WordPress starter hosting is $57. This is why you see here two items in cart. You can also add additional services to your website, which I don't go with for in this video. Before clicking on continue to checkout, make sure that the total price is correct and click on continue to checkout. Here, fill in your contact information. Here you can go with yes, I want to hear more about how Bluehost can help me grow my business. Simply here you can you are opting for their email marketing emails. Now fill in the password. Make sure you remember this password. And here you can pay using your credit card or PayPal. For this video, I will go with my credit card. After filling my credit card info, check the total price you will pay again and click on submit payment. And directly after completing the payment, I was redirected inside my new Bluehost account. And those are the email messages that I've instantly received from Bluehost. The first is an order confirmation email. As you see, they remind me of claiming my free domain. I can still claim it now with the payment details. My first website will be accessible from on this temporary domain because I didn't claim my free domain. As you see, it still shows a coming soon message. The second email was helping me setting up my services, my Bluehost services today. Getting started, professional email trial. They help me start using Bluehost. And the last email is your Bluehost account is ready. Access your, this is the login page, link. They ask me to add, to fill in my phone number. And all of those are important links that you can get back later. And this is how to buy new hosting from Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.